To make a country, first you need some land or territory, but most of land is taken, but there are exceptions. But the lands are disputed, like Britawil, which is like a desert. Or if you have money, buy some islands or land, and if you do not, which is most likely, find it out.
Who's there?
Open up the door. This is the police.
Land from US, Ireland, South Africa. Now after you have territory, you will need permanent population, meaning people, a lot of people. For context, least populated UN recognized country, Tuvalu, has a population of about 10,000. And then you need constitution and code of law. Constitution has basic laws and is an outline of laws, whereas code of law is more specific. For example, US Constitution, I guess, First Amendment states that you have freedom of speech. Congress can't do a thing about it. But in US Code of Law, Title 18, Section 871, it specifies you can't threaten president unless you want to be fined or live in a room for 5 years or both. Use fancy words, concise words to reduce ambiguity, and in Code of Law, use simpler words that the general public can understand. After that, you need effective government. Why you need effective government, you might ask? I would get to it in a minute. But first, you need to define goals, figure out what the government wants to achieve and how it can benefit the people.
Are you serious?
Create rules, which you already did in the previous step. Share power between lawmakers, judges, so no one has too much control. You can skip this part if you want to remain a dictator. Be honest and open so countries can trust you. Hold leaders accountable for their action and prevent corruption. Have economic and political stability. But now the most important thing is to gain recognition. You don't want to be like this, do you?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
If your country is strategically located, you can offer military bases to major powers or sell valuable resources to gain support. If you don't have those resources, you can engage in diplomatic efforts with other countries and seek regional and international support. However, this process requires patience and perseverance. Congratulations, you have your own country, but it may be underdeveloped or developing, and you may not be the head of state or ruler of the country.